Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred say God don dey expose the people wey dey behind Adams Oshiomhole. He say these people na the people wey dey spoil Edo State. So make I leave you with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for know the people wey dey talk to. Enjoy the video.
My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And also na go dey wonder say Apostle dey happy this afternoon. Yes, so I dey happy because all the evil people for the land, God dey expose them. You know, say we don dey shout since no governadarism, no governadarism. Now we know the people wey dey sponsor Oshiomhole, because Oshiomhole no go fit get voice if some people no dey sponsor am. You know, say na the message wey dem send Oshiomhole na dey do since. You know, say what Oshiomhole just dey do kati. Now we come shout say the real governadarism no be Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole dey learn the real governadarism. God dey expose them now. Some of them dey palace because they say we no wan talk. We go dey talk now. Even Queen Elizabeth for America, then people dey talk to them now. So we don pass that stage of fear, and we go dey address them the way it's supposed to be. And the real governadarism, they build what are this wall, and they build a wall around themselves. So the second governadarism na Captain Osa. But finally, Captain Osa don't open up to tell us say na him be the godfather. So our attention now, God don't expose am. He don't know when he talk as na him be the godfather. So Oshiomhole now, Oshiomhole na errand boy. So now the message wey dem send Oshiomhole na they do since. You understand? So they build Jordan Barrack for themselves while the people are suffering and dying. So the real godfather now, like Captain Osa. And Captain Osa don't tell the whole world that he's the latest godfather in town. And listen to the video again and again. Captain Osa said it's time he step into politics so that may they can't choose who will lead this country. Epa Utoge. So now you pick interest in a dope elect politics to choose a leader so that the Epa Utoge. Epa, you lie. You cannot choose, you cannot decide who should rule this state, because you have never done anything for us in this state. We never benefit from you. So no go to governadarism. Captain Osa, Imahasiwe Bolua, we go drag you, your name, that you go shame. You don't feel raise your head again, because the Bible says the old men will dream dreams and the young men will see vision. Captain Osa is supposed to be seeing dream on how to develop the state. Your own dream and the dream of destruction. Other millionaire, billionaire, go see wetin dem use their hand they do. Go see work where they use their money they do. You know even dey shame. You dey use your money dey sponsor talks. Thank God say my papa be a billionaire. Like say be my papa, na me go carry boys make dem beat you. Make dem beat you because you are not fit to be a father. No wonder. Say if kidnapper dey succeed for area, police no fit catch them. You know say na big men I get hand for the matter. If chief don dey chief for area, chief, police don't fit see anybody arrest. Just know say na the elder to the society na dey get hand. So Captain Osa, you don finally tell us say na you send people dey put fire for market. Yes, so finally, we don't know say na you dey behind the burning of our market. I don't think some people no go, they go fear, no one talk am. So me I no dey fear una. So Captain Osa, thank you. Finally, we don't know say na you send those boys when they put fire for market, so that to give the governor bad name. You do well, sir. You do well, sir. Okay, you do well. So all the market where they bought for Benin, finally, you don't tell us that you get hand. and we don't know the people wey born market. So Captain Osa, congratulations. So we don't know say na you na you sponsor the people wey put fire for all the market. Yes, because Obaseki no fit go born market say because they wan win election. No. So we don finally know say na born market. That's why the people wey dey build their wall fence around their house no fit cause, because they know say you get hand for the matter. That's why they no fit cause, because they know say you get hand for the matter. For the people wey go put fire for our market, Captain Osa. If you know say you no get hand for the fire wey dey burn for market, go to Ring Road, go and announce that you are not involved. That you are not involved. Talk am as e be o. Talk, this will not be allegation o. Una know say me I no dey carry the talk. No, I no dey carry the talk. I talk with facts, I talk with evidence, and we go dey pepper una with truth. So Oga Captain Osa, congratulations. You don finally tell us say na you dey behind the fire wey burn for all the market for Benin. Thank you, sir. Because God don expose una, and God will continue to expose una. God will expose una. Because they no go fit tell us so they no get hand for the matter. That's why they no fit carry juju come and make dem take swear for una, because all of una dey chop from the altar. Time don reach. Freedom is now or never. Freedom is now or never. What is bad is not good. You people have caged us for a very long time. We can never be under you people's cage. Never. And nobody can choose our leader. Nobody can choose our king. The governor, let me tell you, the king, they are the custodian of the tradition. But the governor is the man, is the custodian of the land. Make una know today. Make una know today. So Captain Osa, we now know say na you dey behind all the fire wey dey burn our market. You know say for you by your interview, you say you get 300 militants wey you dey train, wey you go take overthrow Obaseki. Oga, those people dey leave their head for house. If not because of the country where we dey, people like you suppose dey jail by now. Yes, if not because of this country, people like you suppose dey jail. How do you suddenly become a billionaire? You were just a pilot to Igbinedion, and I will dey aware when you dey under Igbinedion as a pilot, something happen between you and Igbinedion. You slap Igbinedion. I go dey open a profile. You know, you slap Igbinedion because you think you were vocal. Ha! We are coming for all of you. And as Obaseki judge, as we just dey declare Obaseki winner, make una carry una property comot for this state. Make una carry una property. If you no even get investment for this state, the only investment you get na tomatoes farm. Even the tomatoes, when Obaseki, you know, she say be wicked man. Even when Obaseki do food exhibition for Emmanuel, you bring your tomatoes. Your tomatoes was the most expensive. People don't fit buy your tomatoes. People don't fit buy your tomatoes, Captain Osa. Your tomato stand was the most expensive. Is your tomatoes is in the saloon market, Captain Osa? Your tomatoes in the New Benin market? In on day. In on day. Captain Osa, your tomatoes in New Benin market. To say this Captain Osa tomatoes in the market? No. So which means everything they do now for yourself. If your tomatoes actually dey market, you say this is Captain Osa tomatoes. Any market we enter for Benin go see am. E no dey. E no dey. Your tomatoes no dey. That it will say everything about you is fake. It's fake. Captain, you know how many people you don't put for jail for your evil, for your crime? for your crime. So, freedom of speech, and we can no longer be slave in our own land. I've heard talking before. If this election go against the wishes of the people, una go pack for this state. Una go pack for this state. Una go pack. Una go pack. Una go pack. May not get joy. Now because of all of our brothers begin to run enter Libya, many they die for Macedonian Sea, many come become slave for Mali, for Libya, because of una. All our girls, they come become prostitutes, slave queen because of una. Now God will finally expose you, because you never know when you will talk that you will use your last kobo to make sure to remove Obaseki. Don't worry. After you lose your last kobo finish, you will pour, you will go down. You see? He who uses money to sponsor violence should be ready to eat the fruit. He who uses his money to sponsor calamity in the state should be ready to eat the fruit, because the calamity, it must reach your body. All say boy. Gone are those days when they use their money, they oppress people. When they oppress people with una dirty money, when they oppress people. Now they use una dirty money to oppress people. We can no longer be oppressed in our own land. Never. We can no longer be oppressed. If people don't want to talk, me, I go talk to una. Because Bible says, if I say the sinner will die, and you refuse to tell him, and he died, his blood will require. So me, I don't want me to have blood in my hand. That's why I go to talk. Yeah, I go walk. If you talk, oh, don't talk. Guy, we will talk. We will talk. Freedom of expression. We are going to vote Obaseki again and again. And who no one use eye? Eh? Who no one use eye? Show Obaseki. Make it begin a pack. Make it begin a pack. Obaseki represent the interest of the people. Obaseki is fighting for the common man. So, make una gather ourselves. This God have chosen Obaseki. God have chosen Obaseki. And he not get everything I go do. He not get everything I go do. Because God will disappoint all of you now. Also, I'm working on this grace to work. Also, I'm working on this grace to work. Everybody don't wake up. The good people of Edo State worldwide, we don't wake up. We don't wake up. As a gospel revolutionist, the fight of Edo State is a fight between darkness and light. Not between Obaseki and Oshiomhole. No, it's between darkness and light. So we don't know the people who represent darkness for this state. Captain Osa, no wonder nobody feel going to order. How did you make your money? Captain Osa, how did you become rich suddenly overnight? Which work you do? How much was your salary as a pilot? Captain Osa, how much was your salary as a pilot unlike Millennium? How much is your salary? When I go every year as a Venia, in my castle and go. In my castle and go. We are fighting for our generation, fighting for our children. So, my people, 4+4 almost to bar. I don't fear with you. And come on, okay, fear with you. COVID-20, okay, I'm more money. Anybody will want to ring this election against the wishes of the people. COVID-20, okay, I'm more money. COVID-20, yeah, you're. And anybody where they use their money, they sponsor violence for this state. They go use their money sponsor which go destroy their generation. Anybody where they use their money, they import arm and ammunition into this state. To say now we must take over those from una go use una money sponsor which go destroy una. And the people who don't hire, the God go turn them and they'll begin to kill all of una. Una go see am. Una go see am. No man holds the land. No man holds the land. Freedom is now or never. 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 Freedom is now, not tomorrow, now. Now. Freedom is now or never. No wonder Obaseki no fit do work because Captain Osa you were now you want to get money for this Captain Osa. Now you start to get money. Your dirty money. May your money perish. Now God don't expose all of una. God don't expose all of una. And God will continue to expose una. Other people they use their money, they do better thing. Captain Osa, you use your money to sponsor talks. Just to put down Obaseki. You don't see what Dangote they do. You don't see what your Meroro they do for Oromi.
Now when you don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, you hear everything when you don't talk now for this video. So if you get anything to add join with your Apostle don't talk, go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And make you also help us share this video before you go. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.